Hello guys, welcome back to Eve's Kitchen, and in case this is your first time stopping here, welcome so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So today I have an amazing recipe for you. We are going to prepare fried vegetable rice, and without taking much of your time, we are going to jump into it. Now we are going to use all the ingredients mentioned on your screen. We have our green peas, our carrots, we have one onion, large onion. Then we are going to use a tablespoon of garlic paste, one capsicum, coriander leaves, and 2 glasses of rice. In your cooking pot or sufuria, add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. After a minute, so we are going to add in our spices, a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of curry powder. Cook them for a minute, then we are going to add in our rice and mix everything together. After your rice is well combined with all the spices, add in a teaspoon of salt. Mix it together again. Then we're going to add 4 cups of water. Mix and test if your salt is okay. If not okay, add in some more according to your taste. Our rice is cooking so well, so when the water dries, now this is the time to cover it and let it cook under low heat. Here the rice is ready and I'm so proud of the results. As you can see on your screen, the water has evaporated and our rice is cooked. So I'll just give it a quick mix, then cover it and set it aside. In a pan, we are going to prepare our veggies. So add in some oil, then put your onions and cook them until they're translucent. At this point, you're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic paste and all other veggies, our capsicum, carrots, green peas, and mix everything together. Add in some salt for flavor, then cook your veggies for 3 to 5 minutes. Here you have to be careful not to overcook your veggies. They need to be a little bit crunchy just to bring up an amazing taste. After 5 minutes, now we are going to add in our pre-cooked rice and mix it together with our veggies, as you can see on your screen. If you're enjoying this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section, how do you prepare your fried rice at home? Here our fried rice is ready and the aroma is so good. Guys, now it's time to serve and enjoy. So thank you so much guys for watching this amazing recipe. I hope that you enjoyed it and you're going to try it out. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon so that whenever I post new amazing videos, you can get notified. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. And until we meet on our next video, bye bye guys.